Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we checked the output for the AR book augmented reality application. Now we were able to see the 3D models on top of the AR book sun, house, car and the forest image target. But we did not see the ship move on top of the ship image target. And we also did not see the aeroplane and the cloud models flying on top of the aeroplane image target. So now let me explain you the main reason why the ship, aeroplane and the cloud models were not displayed on top of the respective image targets. If we look at all the image targets in detail, then in the first image target, that is the AR book image target, the sun, house, car and 3D text models are constant in one place. The aeroplane and the cloud models are moving towards each other and after few seconds they move out of the screen. In the sun image target, the sun model is also constant in one place and there is this yellow dust coming out from the sun. In the house image target, the house model is also constant in one place and is not moving. Now, if we look at the ship image target, then in this, the water prefab is constant in one place, but the ship model is moving and after few seconds, the ship model moves out of the screen. In the car image target, the car model is rotating in one place. In the forest image target, the trees, rocks and the grass are all fixed in one place and no object is moving out of the screen. Finally, in the aeroplane image target, the aeroplane and the cloud models are both moving and after few seconds, both the clouds and the aeroplane move out of the screen. Now, when we open the AR book augmented reality application, so during that time, all the 3D models are activated at the same time and they start moving, rotating or animating on top of the respective image targets. And because of this, when the application starts, the ship model has already started moving. Similarly, the aeroplane and the cloud models which are placed on top of the aeroplane image target also start moving as soon as we start the application. Now, by the time I open the ship image target page, few seconds are already gone and in that few seconds, the ship has already moved out of the screen. And that's why we only see the water prefab after opening the ship image target. Similarly, by the time I open the aeroplane image target page, both the aeroplane and the cloud models have already moved out of the screen. Now, in order to solve this problem related to the ship, aeroplane and the clouds, we will try activating the ship, aeroplane and the cloud models only when the ship and the aeroplane image targets are opened in front of the camera. So basically, when we open the AR book application, so during that time, we will first deactivate the ship, aeroplane and the cloud models. Now, since the ship, aeroplane and cloud models are deactivated, they will not move unless and until we open the ship and the aeroplane image target page. Next, when we open the ship image target page, so during that time, I will activate the ship model and the ship model will start moving. Similarly, when the aeroplane image target page is opened, so during that time, I will activate the aeroplane and the cloud models so that the aeroplane and the cloud models start moving. So guys, I hope from this video, you would have understood the main reason why the ship, aeroplane and the cloud models were not showing on top of their respective image targets. I will end this video over here and in the next video, we will write the program to activate and deactivate the ship, aeroplane and the cloud models. Thank you guys and I'll see you in the next video.